Llama. Yeah, we can go around that way. Hey, go pat him.
Hey, feel that guy?
Yeah, go ahead. Go pat him.
Yeah, they're friendly.
Want to pet that guy right there?
No.
Why?
I don't want to touch him.
Why?
Well, I'm scared of him.
Come pat this little guy.
He won't hurt you.
He's really cute.
No.
See, he doesn't even bother me.
Take that one.
Okay, come.
That one.
Go that one.
That one?
Yep.
That one?
Yep.
Okay. When he's walking.
No, go over to this guy that's laying down.
Hey. Hey, jump on him?
No.
I don't know about that guy. He's just like...
You could pat him, but don't jump on him.
Hello, friend.
Just pat him. Pat his back.
Okay, face neck.
I don't know if he likes that.
I won't choke it. I won't.
Okay, I believe that you won't choke him, but... Oh, go ahead. He's laying down for you.
Why?
Must like it.
I do that. Hey, Lucas, watch this.
Yeah.
He likes it.
I want to try that. There's him.
Gavin goes, I promise I won't choke him.
Charlie,
Whoa.
what is that?
He's looking
Hey,
at me.
baby. Hi.
Hey.
Do you like the zoo?
Mom, what he's doing to me? To what? What he's doing?
Do you like the
Look at his
zoo?
face. He's got a-
Okay, say bye-bye, Llama.
Bye-bye.
Hey,
Bye-bye,
that
Llama.
one. Where's that one?
Bye-bye, Llama.